At Third Eye, we understand all too well that the key to fleet profit is fleet productivity and utilization. That's why when customers asked if we could develop something that would allow them to make better decisions faster as it relates to asset management, we listened. Introducing Optim-Eyes from Third Eye. Optim-Eyes allows fleets to stay abreast of their fleet's operational status and maintenance needs passively. Optim-Eyes monitors chassis information and automatically sends predictive and prescriptive alerts to fleet owners when various performance parameters are tripped. These customizable and exception-based alerts provide up to a 2 to 3 week jump on identifying vehicle issues over standard troubleshooting methods. That head start means that fleet owners can address these alerts via scheduled maintenance at night and avoid costly truck-down maintenance issues later. With better maintenance comes a reduced need for costly spares in the fleet. With Optim-Eyes, Third Eye is monitoring hundreds of thousands of data inputs per day on each asset and then boiling this down into information that allows for comprehensive reports that communicate overall fleet health. Optim-Eyes is part of our Connected Collections vision, focused on helping fleet owners make better decisions faster.